exactly 50 days since the Greater Accra Regional Minister Linda Akweley Ocloo was officially made minister.
I'm not sure. Has she also promised that she will make Accra the cleanest city in West Africa?
No, but she promised that in her first 50 days, she was going to, repair or make at least 70% of street lights working in Accra. So yesterday she met with the press, and then she actually revealed that street lights have been installed across 129 streets across the region. However, she did mention that if you use the Tema Motorway and then the Accra Tema Beach Road, you would realize that that place is still dark, and it's because the road construction is still ongoing. They are not done with the road, so unfortunately they were not able to install street lights over there. But then aside that, she's installed street lights, 126 streets into Wabwejuma into
Okay.
Yeah, so the video.
Michelle Bo, me started your friend is saying my office as a regional minister. Michelle Bo said the next 50 days in office there was a street light at least. You to be near Accra, 70% of the street lights. And now mama so far light I so far 129 your friend is saying street ya juma. Nya to be near juma do na ebisa motorway to send can. Some of the roads construction is ongoing. Some year construction is ana. To 2 posts in here into street lights anyhow. So I can confidently say so far so good. I mean me 50 days in office, my target has been achieved. Me did this from here, other stretches. In fact, you can get Accra, cut across, Kaswa, Adan, Ningo, Pram. Ain't move funny time out of your busy schedule. Now move visiting all the places. Ya mention say, ya young with you, and I'm one Casamusa, Pampa, near Canon, and Nuka, and I say, Nuka.
Oh, and I just wondering, maybe there's been a redemarcation. Yeah, because I know Kaswa to be in the central region.
Yeah.
And I'm going to Greater.
No, but I mean, how do you call it? Theoretically, Kaswa is part of the central region, but usually people consider Kaswa to be part of Accra.
Redemarcation,
and it will involve a lot of money, and today, but on paper, no Kaswa is central region.
Maybe we are saying that there's conflict between the central regional minister and the Greater Accra regional.
But I'm sure.
And what you are doing, Kaswa should be a better home fans. So you create street lights or Kaswa says here, but maybe it's not under her jurisdiction. And I know, but me, I was just wondering.
No, I get you.
Because it's possible.
But I always forget.
It's possible that because of the proximity, they've decided. Administratively, that let's consider Kaswa to be part of. But that's why Kaswa has a lot of issues because
they don't know who they are under.
Yes, it's that lack of identity.
Identity crisis.
I say, when I'm sure you've not experienced it, but if a child has divorced parents who are living in different places,
yes.
But to make papa
yes.
No, I turn papa so on mama ho. No, she na down for be ho. So that's
we had this friend who she would take school fees from her dad, take school fees from her mom.
So that's Kaswa for you.
Kaswa.
Cry Greater Accra. We be call a central. No much central say obi yineni. And then no more abomu.
But then that wraps it up for Trends today. But before we go.